Hello, welcome to Code Decipher. Today we are going to learn how to open up terminal in VS Code. All we need to do is go to View and then click on Terminal, and this will open up our terminal window. If you want to toggle the terminal back and forth, then all you need to do is press Ctrl and single quotes. If I do this, then I will toggle off. Now if I wanted to toggle it on again, then all I need to do is click on Control and single quotes, so it will toggle it back on. And now if I needed a new terminal, then all I need to do is just press on this plus sign and it can create a new terminal. There's also a shortcut to create a new terminal. If I press Control, Shift and single quotes, then it will open another new terminal. So this is how you open up terminal in VS Code. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Happy coding.